Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Canada Immigration. We hope you're doing great. In this video, we will talk about applying for a Canada visitor visa for your parents. Are you looking to bring your parents to Canada for a visit? Applying for a Canada visitor visa can seem like a complex process, but with the right information and preparation, you can make it straightforward and efficient. This video will walk you through the essential steps to apply for a visitor visa for your parents, ensuring that you understand the requirements, documentation, and tips to help you navigate the application process with ease. If you are interested in this topic, to get all the information, pay attention and watch the video through to the end. Please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification bell for an upcoming video. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Steps to applying for a visitor visa to Canada. Applying for a visitor visa to Canada can be a complex process, requiring careful attention to detail and thorough preparation. This guide aims to simplify the application process, providing you with a comprehensive step-by-step approach. Whether you are assisting someone like your parents with their visa application or applying on your behalf, this guide will help you navigate through the necessary steps, required information, and key tips for a smooth application experience. 1. Determine the type of visa. Before starting the application process, it's crucial to identify the correct type of visa required for your visit. Canada offers different types of visitor visas, primarily the standard visitor visa and the super visa. Visitor visa. This visa is suitable for individuals planning a short visit to Canada for up to 6 months. It's commonly used for visiting family or friends or tourism purposes. Super visa, designed specifically for parents and grandparents of Canadian citizens or permanent residents. The super visa allows for extended stays of up to 2 years at a time. For this video, we will focus on the visitor visa, as it is the most commonly applied visa type for short-term visits. 2. Start the application. The first step in applying for a visitor visa is to begin the application process. Application selection. Choose the visitor visa option when initiating the application. If you intend to apply for a super visa, select that option accordingly. Purpose of visit. When prompted about the purpose of your visit, clearly specify the reason. For instance, you might state, "Visiting to help my son and daughter-in-law with their newborn baby between start date and end date." This helps clarify the intent and duration of your stay. Dates and processing time. Be aware that processing times for visitor visas can vary based on your country of origin and other factors. For example, as of recent updates, processing a visitor visa from India may take approximately 154 days. It is advisable to plan your visit considering this processing time, ensuring your intended travel dates are well aligned with the visa issuance timeline. 3. Application representative details. If you are assisting someone else with their application, you will need to provide information about your role. Filling on behalf. Indicate that you are applying on behalf of another person by selecting yes to the question about acting on behalf of someone else. Note that you should specify that you are not an authorized paid representative. Relationship and contact information. Clearly state your relationship to the applicant, for example, family member, and provide your full name, phone number, and address. If you reside in Canada, include your Canadian address, otherwise, provide your current address outside Canada. 4. Travel document information. Accurate entry of travel document information is essential. Passport details. Enter the applicant's last name and first name exactly as they appear in their passport. For Indian passports where names are listed differently, enter the given name in the last name field and leave the given name blank. Passport information. Provide the passport number, issue date, and expiry date. If the applicant is a lawful permanent resident of the United States or has held a Canadian visitor visa in the past 10 years, indicate this accordingly. Confirm the mode of travel to Canada, especially if arriving by air. 5. Citizenship and residences. Provide detailed information regarding the applicant's citizenship and residence. Country of birth and citizenship. Indicate the applicant's country of birth and citizenship status. For example, if born in India, select India and specify the birth city. Confirm if the applicant holds citizenship in more than one country. National identity document. If applicable, enter the Aadhaar card number and date of issue for Indian applicants. If your country does not issue national identity documents, select no. 6. Residence history. A detailed account of the applicant's residence history is necessary. Current and past addresses. Provide the applicant's current residential address. If the mailing address is the same as the residential address, select yes. Otherwise, include an alternative mailing address. Countries of residence. List all countries where the applicant has lived for more than 6 months in the past 5 years. Provide specific details about each country, including the applicant's status, for example, citizen, resident. 7. Biometrics. Biometrics play a key role in the application process. Previous biometrics, if the applicant has provided biometrics for a visitor visa, study, or work permit in the last 10 years, they are not required to provide them again. If they have not provided biometrics previously, select No. 8. Inviter information. Accurate details about the host in Canada are required. Details of the host, provide the inviter's details, such as your son or daughter, as listed on their passport. Include their full name, relationship to the applicant, Canadian address, phone number, and email address. 9. Financial information. Demonstrating sufficient financial resources is crucial. Proof of funds indicate the amount of money the applicant will have for their stay. For example, if planning a 6-month visit, state that the applicant will have $12,000 to cover expenses such as rent, groceries, and travel. Specify if the funds are being provided by someone else. Documents to prove funds. Submit supporting documents to verify the availability of funds. This includes bank statements, job letters, property evaluations, and any other relevant financial documents. 10. Educational and work history. Provide a comprehensive overview of the applicant's educational and work background. Education. List any post-secondary education, including the institution's name, years of study, and whether the studies are ongoing or completed. Work history. Provide a detailed work history for the past 10 years, including any military service or significant activities. 11. Travel history. A detailed account of the applicant's travel history is important. Previous travel, indicate if the applicant has traveled outside their country of birth in the past 5 years. Provide specifics about their travel history if applicable. 12. Medical background. Confirm the applicant's medical examination status. Medical exam, indicate whether the applicant has undergone a medical exam by an IRCC authorized panel within the last 12 months. Select yes or no based on their situation. 13. Family information. Provide detailed information about the applicant's family. Marital status and children, include details about the applicant's marital status, spouse's name, and date of birth. List any biological children if applicable. Parent information, enter the names and details of the applicant's parents. If completing the form for parents, include information about the grandparents if required. 14. Language proficiency. Language skills are relevant for communication purposes. Language skills, select the applicant's mother tongue and indicate if they can communicate in English or French. Choose the preferred language for communication with IRCC. 15. Summary and documents. Careful review and submission of supporting documents are critical. Review application. Thoroughly review all information provided in the application to ensure accuracy and completeness before submission. Supporting documents. Upload all required documents, including 1. Letter of invitation. Include details about the invitation and the purpose of the visit. 2. National identity document. Upload in a DAR card or equivalent. 3. Passport. Provide a scanned copy of the passport. 4. Proof of funds. Include bank statements and other financial documents. 5. Additional documents. Marriage certificates, proof of relationship, for example, birth certificate, and any other relevant documents. 6. Appointment of a representative. If you are acting as a representative, complete the appointment of a representative form, including your contact details and signatures. 7. Consent. Confirm your consent to IRCC's handling of the application as required. 16. Final steps. Complete the final steps to ensure a successful application submission. Submit the application. After completing all sections and reviewing the information, apply. You will receive a confirmation of receipt. Cost of application. The application fee for a visitor visa is typically $100 per application. Additionally, if biometrics are required, there is an $85 fee. Ensure that the total cost is reviewed and payment is made as required. By adhering to this video, you can ensure that the visitor visa application process is thorough and complete. Accurate and complete information, along with the appropriate supporting documents, will enhance the chances of a successful application and minimize the risk of delays or rejections. Navigating the application process for a Canada visitor visa for your parents doesn't have to be overwhelming. By following the steps outlined in this guide and ensuring that all required documents are in order, you can increase the chances of a smooth and successful application. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to a professional immigration consultant. Your efforts can help reunite your family and create lasting memories in beautiful Canada. That is all for today, in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully, the information is useful to you. See you later, in the next video. Till then, take care.